billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Welcome to my new video. Uh, Welcome to my channel. And today we will start and the next topic that is present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense. That where we use present perfect continuous tense. If I told you that present perfect continuous tense is used an action which is started in the past and still continuous. یعنی هغه کار چې هغه شروع شوی په پاست کې او تر اوسه پورې کنټینیو وي. زه ووایم یو کار یې هسې مثال زه یو خبره وکړم یو روډ دی یو روډ جوړیږي مثال د پرون نیسه روډ دې باندې کار شروع شو هغه جوړیږي او زه ووایم هغه روډ چې کنه هغه نن مخته دی سبا به مخته جوړیږي وه نو دغه کار ته ویلی شي دغه کار دپاره موږ پرزنټ کنټینیوس ټینس استعمالو. یعنې یو کار د پرون نه شروع دی پاست کې شروع دی او تر پرزنټ کې هم شروع دی یعنې پاست کې شروع دی او پرزنټ کې هم کنټینیو روان دی لا ختم شوی نه دی او نه برابر شوی دی څه مطلب روان دی. نو دغه دپاره موږ پرزنټ کنټینیوس ټینس استعمالو. دې چې کوم سټرکچر دی دا خو ډېر لینتي سنټنس دی خو دا موږ چونکې په دوه درې ویډیوګانو کې جوړو نن چې کوم لومړنی پارټ دی لکه سمپل دی نن سبجیکټ ولګو هیو او هیز بین دا د دې helping verb څه شی دی have and has been are helping verb are present continuous tense and plus verb ing form plus objects. If I told you that we also use since and for in this sentence, so inshallah I will upload the next video that will be uses of since or for. It's next topic today as a simple topic, that's why I read this. So if I told you that we use have been and has been are the helping verb, that if I told you that where we use have been and where we use has been. So I, we, you, they. After I, we, you, they and plural noun subjects, so we will put and use have been. And after he, she, at and singular noun, we will use has been. So come to for example, come to example that what is the example of present continuous tense. And if I told you that what is the उर्दू पहचान से शेदे द सजी प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस कंटिन्यूअस टेंस यदि कम उर्दू पहचान आदि ता रहा है ती रही है ता रहा हूँ दाद दी प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस द उर्दू पहचान दे. तो ये कम एग्जांपल दिखाना उस मिसाल माने दे वो मुझको मैसेज करता रहा है هغه ماته میسجونه کوي یعنی هغه ما د وختي کول اوس تم راته کوي اخته دي میسجونه کوي ټیسټ کوي چاته ماته کوي اخته دي. Simple to samavil چې کله تاسو یو جمله ترانسلیټ کوئ how to translate a sentence. So sentence will be translated so easy that so at the first you will translate a subject that where is subject or subject is who and here is alif, so we will put he, so we will put he and then the helping verb we come to the helping verb. The helping verb is taraha hai and after he, she, at we will use a has. So he has been as helping verb. He has been message. What is the meaning of word? Here is word testing. He has been texting. Texting is a help is a verb. Text is a verb and ing is a form. He is testing. He has been texting with me. वो मुझको मैसेज करता रहा है. और the next example of present perfect tense that is हम उससे बातें करते रहे हैं یعنی موږ هغوی سره خبرې کوو وخت موږ سره وختي خبرې کولې اوس هم کوو خبرې اخته دا خبرې کنټینیوس دي د پرزنټ پاس کې شروع وي موږ هغوی سره خبرې کوو د دې ټیم نه یې معلوم دا به کله کوو دا ټیم او نه ټیم باره کې دا به انشاءالله سواله دې باندې یو بله ویډیو بل پکچر اخلم. اوس هم उससे बातें करते रहे हैं د هم لپاره انګلیس څه شی دی وی دی وی نه پس څه شی لګو after we subject we will put have been. We have been here is verb his verb is talk and the fourth form are ing form. If we put so talk will be converted to talking. So we have been talking with him. Here is him with him. And the next example I told you that वो उसको गालियाँ देती रही है इन आगे तक कंजर कोले वो उसको गालियाँ देती रही है ini agi agata kanzeli kore akhtawa kanzeli kore. No, what about here is we will use a she because it is a small ye. No, she, and after the she subject we will put has been. She has she has been वो उसको गालियां देती रही. She has been abusing. Here we will use galia mean kanzel the part second English abuse. So here we will put ing form. So if words will be that abusing abuse abuser and ing form is abusing. No, we he she has been abusing mean galia kanzel. She has been abusing उसको. She has been using with him. So thanks for watching my video. Inshallah, the next lecture will be that what is the uses of since and for. So thanks for watching and follow and subscribe my channel. Learn with Abu Huraira. Okay, thanks. Allah.